So here's a current bug in Chrome Canary, specifically on the Mac OS version. First of all, I've got my Wacom digitizer and it's connected to Surface, so that's Chrome Canary 55 on Windows. If I go with my stylus, it's recognized as pen primary. I've got a second stylus here. I'll take this one away, go with the next one, and it still recognizes it as a pen primary. It's also doing some funky things, thinking that there's a mouse after I lift my pen. But the point is, both styluses that I have here are both recognized as primary when they touch the digitizer. Now if I swap these over, let's plug that into the Mac. Hopefully that will now register it. There we go. Let's refresh. So it recognizes this stylus as a primary. Now if I go with the next one, it recognizes it still as a pen but not as primary. So on OS X, either the driver for the digitizer or Chrome's implementation somehow distinguish between the two styluses, and the first stylus to touch the digitizer is primary, and the second one or any subsequent ones are not seen as primary anymore. Now obviously that is a bug according to the spec, because this should only happen if two or more pens are used simultaneously. Once I move away from the digitizer, it should simply reset and be a primary. But it seems to consistently keep this until I refresh the page, and then this, which was not primary before, becomes primary, and this one is recognized just as still a pen but not primary. So possibly an edge case, but it's definitely a bug, and it's a difference of implementation between OS X and Windows in Chrome Canary. Could be down to the drivers, could be down to hardware, not quite sure.